Unlock the power of business credit. No fluff, just facts. Hey there, this is Clarence from C2P Solutions, and you're listening to Unlock the Power of Business Credit. No fluff, just facts. This isn't a book, it's a voice guide made to walk with you as you take your next steps in business. Go ahead and grab your notebook and pen. You're gonna want to take notes on this. This isn't just talk. This is transformation. Let's break it down. Real easy, real clear. The information I'm about to share, most people won't tell you. Not because it's a secret, but because they'd rather you stay stuck, confused, or always needing help. You deserve to know. But today, we break that chain. You deserve to grow. Let's begin. What is business credit? So, what is business credit and why does it matter? Think of it like this. Just like you have a personal credit score that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with money, your business can have its own credit profile too. And when it does, you open the door to money that's not tied to your personal name, your social security number, or your own credit score. Business credit is what helps you grow, expand, and protect what you're building without risking everything you've worked for on the personal side. And the best part, you don't have to be a big company. Even a small business, like yours or mine, can build strong credit and start using it to win. Why business credit matters. So let's talk about why business credit really matters. It's more than just numbers on a report. It's freedom. It's opportunity. It's walking into a bank or applying for funding without putting your personal life on the line. When your business has credit, you can get funding without using your personal name, lease or buy equipment in your business's name, rent office space, build partnerships, and earn trust with vendors. And here's the truth. Strong business credit opens doors even when your personal credit says no. It's like giving your business its own legs to stand on, so you're not always carrying it on your back. Who can build business credit? You might be thinking, is this even for me? Let me tell you, if you've got a business name, even if it's just an idea right now, if you're selling plates on the weekends, designing clothes from your kitchen table, or coaching folks online, you can build business credit. You don't need a storefront. You don't need 100 employees. You don't even need to be making six figures. What you do need is the right foundation. That means setting your business up the right way, legally, visibly, and with credibility. Once that's in place, you can start building. Credit doesn't just belong to the big guys. It belongs to anyone willing to do it right. Because let's be honest, the system is set up to favor those who know. And now you do. Why business credit matters. Why does business credit matter? Because access is everything. With strong business credit, you can get funding without putting your personal credit on the line, lease equipment, order inventory, or expand your business, all in your business name. Qualify for larger limits, lower interest rates, and better terms, faster. It's the difference between using your last $100 and having a $10,000 line of credit waiting on you. And here's the truth. Life happens. Emergencies hit. Business slows down sometimes. But business credit, it's the bridge that helps you stay afloat without drowning in personal debt. You don't build it just for now. You build it so your business can survive the unexpected and grow when the time is right. Step 2. Get your EIN, Employer Identification Number. Now that you've formed your LLC, it's time to make it official with the government. You'll need something called an EIN. That's your employer identification number. Think of it like a social security number, but for your business. Here's the good news. You can get it for free directly from the IRS. No need to pay anyone. Go to irs.gov and click on Apply for an EIN online. Fill out the info about your business, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your EIN ready to go. Pro tip: download and save your confirmation letter. You'll need it when opening a bank account or applying for credit later. This step is quick but powerful. With your EIN in hand, you're ready for the next one. 1. Form your business the right way. Before you can build business credit, you need a real business. I'm talking about forming a legal entity like an LLC. Why? Because lenders won't take you seriously if your business isn't real on paper. Now, you could go through your state's website and figure it all out. But to keep it simple, I recommend using zenbusiness.com. They walk you through, step by step, from getting your LLC set up to filing the paperwork the right way. Still figuring out a name? Go to namefatso.com. It helps you brainstorm powerful business names that stand out and feel like you. Pro tip: make sure the name is available in your state and as a e-com website. You want to be easy to find and easy to trust. Once your LLC is formed, you're ready to move to step 2. Step 3. Open a business bank account. All right, you've got your LLC, you've got your EIN. Now it's time to separate your business money from your personal money. This is where a business bank account comes in. Why this matters. Using a business account helps you build credibility with banks and lenders, track income and expenses easily for taxes, protect your personal assets by keeping things separate. What you'll need to open one: your LLC paperwork, your EIN letter from the IRS, a valid photo ID. Most banks let you open an account online or in person. Choose one that offers low fees, great support, and digital access. And remember, use this account for everything business. Every swipe, deposit, or payment, run it through here. That consistency builds your business reputation. You're building something strong and legit. This step makes it real. Step 4. What is a DUNS number and why do you need it? You've probably heard the term DUNS number before, but what is it really? It stands for Data Universal Numbering System, and it's issued by a company called Dun & Bradstreet. They're one of the oldest and most trusted business credit reporting agencies. Think of a DUNS number like a social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number that helps lenders, suppliers, and even some government contracts verify your business. Why you need it? It's how your business credit file gets started. You can't build business credit with Dun & Bradstreet without it. Many vendors, lenders, and grant applications ask for it. How to get it? The good news? It's free. You just apply on the Dun & Bradstreet website. Here's what you'll need: your LLC name and address, your EIN, a valid phone number and email, a short description of what your business does. Once you apply, your DUNS number is usually issued within a few days, and boom, you're officially in the system. This is a powerful key. Without it, your business credit journey can't fully begin. Ready to move on to step 5. Setting up your business the right way online. Step 5. Set up your business the right way online presence and credibility. All right, now that you've got your LLC, your EIN, and your DUNS number, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked but matters a lot. How your business looks online. Because guess what? Lenders, vendors, and even grant providers will check. And if your business looks sloppy or incomplete, it raises red flags. Here's what you need to set up. A professional business email address. Not Gmail or Yahoo. Something like info@yourbusinessname.com. You can get this through platforms like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail. A business phone number. You don't have to use your personal phone. Get a virtual number through services like Grasshopper, Google Voice, or OpenPhone. A simple, professional website. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a clean homepage, a little about what you do, your services, and contact info. You can build this through Wix, GoDaddy, or Squarespace. Business listings on Google. Create a Google business profile. Make sure your business name, phone number, and address all match across every site. This builds something called credibility markers, and when they're all aligned, it sends a message that your business is legit and ready for funding. You're not just showing up. You're showing up with excellence. Ready to keep going to step 6. Opening business bank accounts the smart way. Bonus resource. What NAV really does. Before we jump into the next step, let's talk about a powerful tool that's more than just a credit monitor. It's called NAV. NAV.com isn't just about watching your credit. It's a business credit builder, a lender matchmaker, and a financial dashboard, all rolled into one. With NAV, you can monitor your business credit scores across Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. Build credit using their Business Boost plan, which reports your monthly payments as trade lines. Get matched with loans, credit cards, and lines of credit that fit your business profile. Track progress with personalized tips and alerts. Think of NAV as your credit cycle. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, it's like having a financial co-pilot in your corner. And yes, they have a free version, but if you're serious about growing your business credit, the paid version is worth every penny. Unlock the power of business credit. Let's pause right here. You've just taken a powerful step, one most people never take. You didn't wait for perfect timing. You showed up. You didn't let confusion stop you. You leaned in. And you didn't just dream about building. You started laying the foundation. There's more to learn and more tools I'm going to share. But for now, I want you to breathe and let this truth settle in. You are the CEO of your own destiny. And business credit. It's one of the keys to unlock the future you've been praying for. This is just the beginning. Part 2 is coming soon. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. I'll be right here, walking this journey with you.